Ethics. So I'm going to wrap it up with this. Ethics, honesty, really super important. If you are cheating boxes, going into the penalty on your hours because you just don't want to get up, you're not honest with yourself. And if you need to dump a boyfriend, you need to let it go, you need to fix your life, whatever it takes to make that commitment happen, because yes, everybody says, I'm paying for this, I'm going to keep this. Well, a lot of people that say, I'm paying for this, don't even put effort in. Ethics are not who you are, it's a result of who you are. So if you are dishonest and you are a taker, you will get out of here and get your license, and you will be a taker out here, and you will be dishonest, and you will be exposed, and you will be nobody, and your career will be terrible. Can I be any more straight about that? Fix it now. Fix it now. Do not be that person that cannot hold back from the temptation of greed and stealing and manipulating and poaching clients and just, oh, well, I have to survive and do my business. Don't do it. Because you can make more money, be much happier, have all these great connections by just working hard and not cheating and cutting corners. Is this helpful?
Yes.
I don't talk enough about ethics when I go to schools, and I've decided I'm going to now. Because some people have things inside them, little pockets of greed, and they don't realize it. You got things inside you. You get out in the working world, or you try to get out, and you get with some really tough hairdressers, they'll expose you. They'll push you and they'll prod you.